Have you ever felt drained, anxious, or stuck in a negative pattern but you couldn't figure out why? Or maybe you've heard about chakras but you don't really know where to start. Well, today I am taking you through a full day of chakra healing for beginners. Whether you want to clear your energy, feel more balanced, attract positivity into your life, this simple energy routine will help you get there. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to cleanse, activate, align your chakra so that you can feel lighter, happier, and more in flow with the universe. And if you are ready to even go deeper, I have a special chakra healing resource for you at the end, so stay tuned. So let's start with the basic. What are chakras and why do they really matter? Chakra are the energy centers of your body. Think of them like spinning wheels of energy that control everything: your emotions, your health, relationships, even your ability to attract success and abundance in your life. These are 7 main chakras, each linked to a special aspect of your life. The first chakra is the root chakra, your foundation, safety, and security. Above it is sacral chakra, creativity, passion, emotions. Above it is solar plexus chakra, which gives you confidence and personal power. In the center of all is the heart chakra, which helps you with love, forgiveness, and compassion. The throat chakra, which empowers communication and self-expression. The third eye chakra, which is the intuition and the inner wisdom. And the top of it is the crown chakra, the spiritual connection and connection with the higher consciousness. When your chakras are open and balanced, you feel aligned, energized, and at peace. But when they are blocked or out of balance, you can experience fatigueness, low energy, anxiety, stress, mood swings, feeling disconnected or lost all the time, struggles in relationships and career. This is why daily chakra work is very, very powerful. So let's dive into simple, effective chakra healing routine you can follow every single day. So let's start with morning. Root and solar plexus activation. But the question is, why? Morning sets the tone of your entire day. To feel grounded and confident, we start with the root chakra and the solar plexus chakra. Step number 1, grounding exercise for the root chakra. Now, how to do it? Stand barefoot on the floor, outside on the grass. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Imagine the roots growing from your feet into the Mother Earth. Feel the energy rising through body, stabilizing and giving you all the strength that you desire. Step 2 is the power pose for the solar plexus chakra. Stand tall, feet apart, hands on the hips like a superhero. Say an empowering affirmation. I am confident, I am strong, I create my reality. Hold this for 2 minutes to activate your personal power. Now, a bonus tip. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning also supports your solar plexus. Now let's talk about the midday energy boost, which is our heart and throat chakra. By midday, we start feeling the stress of the day, maybe from work, social interactions, or the responsibilities. This is the perfect time to refresh your heart chakra and your throat chakra. Step 1. Heart opening stretch. Stand or sit with arms wide open. Take a deep breath and say, I give and receive love freely. Imagine the green light filling your chest, releasing tensions and all the emotional blocks. Step 2. Throat chakra water ritual. Take a glass of water, fresh and cool. Before drinking, whisper your intention into the water, such as, I express myself with clarity and truth. As you drink, you will feel that your throat chakra is clearing and empowering. Signs you need this. If you feel misunderstood, have trouble expressing yourself, or get tension in your neck all the time, this is for you. Now comes the evening chakra detox, which is the third eye and the crown chakra. Evenings are all about calming your mind, connecting to your higher energy. So step 1, guided third eye visualization. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, breathe in deeply. Imagine a deep indigo light glowing in the middle of your forehead. Say, I trust my intuition. My inner wisdom guides me. Let any thoughts or worries drift away. Step 2. Crown chakra meditation before going to the bed. Lay in the bed, focus on the top of your head. Imagine the golden light flowing in from the above, filling your body with peace. Say, I'm connected to my higher self. Drift in the sleep, feeling aligned and at peace. Signs, you really need this. If you struggle with overthinking, insomnia, or feeling disconnected, this practice is a game changer. Now, how to make chakra healing a daily habit, most importantly. Chakra healing doesn't have to be very complicated. Even if you give 5 to 10 minutes a day, it can completely shift your energy and mindset. But consistency is the key. So here's a quick recap of the daily chakra routine. Morning, grounding and confidence boost, which is the root and the solar plexus. Midday is the heart opening and the throat chakra cleansing. Evening is the intuition and the spiritual connection, which is the third eye and the crown chakra. Click the link in the description box to book your session now. Let me know in the comments which chakra do you feel needs the most healing right now in your life. I would love to help and guide. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you found this helpful, let's raise our vibrations together.